Manifestos are political rituals in our country. Who takes them seriously? Those who write manifestos know that these are things just to be written on a piece of paper. Those who read it know that they are not actually meant to be read seriously. So, political ruling party says, we got everything done, pick up the last manifesto, add 5% on that, and that becomes their manifesto. Opposition says everything was wrong, and pick up the very same points that the ruling party promises and offer something slightly different, something somewhat irresponsible. That's what the entire exercise of manifesto gets reduced to. Aadmi Party takes its manifesto far more seriously. We want to change this ritual of politics. For that, we've done 4 things. 1. Manifesto has not been written only by party leadership. This manifesto has drawn upon inputs from the people. All over Delhi, in 70 constituencies of Delhi, we held meetings for purposes of manifestos. In some constituencies, more than 20 meetings in one constituency itself. Meetings were held. People gave their views about what should their manifesto be like. From that resulted constituency-specific manifestos and one general manifesto for Delhi city. 2. This entire exercise was done with serious research inputs, which is what is so seriously lacking in our politics. We identified about 12 to 15 key issues of Delhi and had serious research presentations on what exactly was the nature of problem, its causes, what were the range of possible solutions, and which of the solutions should we back. Something of that is visible. It's not a research document, but it's a document that has been supported by serious, careful research and analysis. Third, this document does not cover merely the standard trodden ground of Delhi politics, standard issues and standard solutions. It does not seek to provide better governance within the existing frame. This document seeks to alter the frame itself. Frame of governance of Delhi needs to be altered is our premise, and that is why this is quite a radical document in that sense of the term. Finally, manifestos usually are silent about how they would be implemented because no one actually wants to implement them. Aadmi Party manifesto specifically provides for the mechanism through which this implementation will take place. Once Aadmi Party government is formed, in the Chief Minister's office, there would be a special manifesto implementation cell. The cell will get in touch with all the government departments, try to ensure that manifesto promises are fulfilled. It will also take public grievances on issues related to the manifesto, respond to them, on a regular basis on a website, update what have we done for different points, where do we stand, where do we need to go. And finally, once in a year, the Chief Minister and the MLAs in their respective constituencies will render a report card on how each of the promises or issues mentioned in manifesto were taken up, whether they had been implemented, if not where, why, and if likely when. This is what would make this exercise somewhat different. That's why in Hindi we don't call it Ghoshna Patra. It's not declarations. We call it Sankalp Patra. This is about our resolve. Aadmi Party wants to usher in a different kind of politics, and its manifesto is one example of that difference.